In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find working eBay promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and then at the search box type in eBay promo code. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free coupon codes. You can open up any of them. For example, here you can find 34 different coupon codes. The first one gives you $200 off. You can hit right here at more details to get some extra information, and then you can hit at show coupon to see that promo code. Here it is. And then you can hit at that icon to copy it to your clipboard, and now you can move on to eBay website or to their mobile application, and there you can buy some stuff, and just don't forget to use that promo code. So you have to enter it in promo code field to use it, and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and then try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.